Good morning, everyone. Happy Halloween. It's still Ines, and this is how Ines rolls. But today we are celebrating Halloween. So if you've been following me on Instagram, this is day 2 of this little get up. So in my preschool class, I am a teacher, but I wanted to show you what we're going to be doing today. It's just how we're going to get ready for our costumes tonight and just all the little fun things we're doing today. So first off, I told Paul that I would make some pumpkin muffins, some pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. And if you don't have that recipe, I will link it below or right up here. So that way you can get to it because it's perfect even through Thanksgiving as well. So let me get my ingredients and get started before my little class comes. Okay, so I have, I think, mostly everything. I am going to one day organize this drawer, but that's okay, another day. Paul's just actually taking these to a work function. He actually has today off, so that makes it really nice. I'm sure you'll be seeing him. And so we're just going to have him go run these over to work and drop them off. So, what are your plans today? Let me know in the comments what you guys do. Anything special, fun? Are you a family that loves to get really into Halloween or pass out candies, or was that a season for you when you had your kids were smaller maybe? I kind of feel like right now I'm not as with it as I've been in the past. So I kind of feel bad for Ezra, but I am dressing up. I'm still going to do that with him actually. So I just feel like I put in more effort in the past, or maybe it came on too fast. I have no idea, but Paul and I were talking about this the other night, and I think a little bit has to do with our missionaries not here. He loves this holiday, and so he would actually do a lot of the decorating out front of our house, and it's pretty dismal this year. So what a bummer. So let me get this going, but when he comes back, I mean, right, he'll want to do it again, maybe. So, I mean, we still have some decorations, but not like Isaiah. He is. So let me bring you a little closer, and I'll put this into the oven soon. To the oven they go, just about 25 minutes at 350, but I'll check them and stuff, and then I'll show you what Ezra's doing. Anybody else's house seem extra like needing more attention on the holidays? Ugh, I'll do that too. Hey, Ez.
Happy Halloween.
What are you doing? Work, schoolwork. So he's just starting some math. I'm gonna have him take it easy today since Paul's here. We've actually started before school, right? We're like a good month ahead of everybody else. So we have extra days to kind of play with. So I'm just going to have him do some math and a spelling test, and we'll call it good for today. I think Dad wants to take you, Ezra, to his work to drop off the muffins. What do you say?
Yay!
We need to get this all under control and make it look a little bit tidier. So hopefully it will help you a little bit to get some momentum. What do you say? Dishes are not my favorite. So I now have about 10 minutes before my class comes. So I'm gonna hurry and put this away into the dishwasher and make sure everything is ready for my class. Plus I started a load of laundry. Why not, right? So let's get this going. Like the muffins are done, and that's about as good as it gets for this morning. Okay, the kids are coming, so I need to go to work, but let me show you the muffins. These look great. Too bad I can't eat them. So I have a cute little platter that Paul can take them on. So I'll let them come to a cool and put them on the platter. Now it's time to go to work. My work is never done. So I'll be with you very shortly, but look behind me here. The preschoolers are going to have some fun cereal today for their Halloween party. And so they get to choose either pumpkin or the Halloween one. So far, it's been the Halloween one. So let's see what this class chooses. Now they gotta go to work. So I'm all done with work and I need to start getting ready, but I wanted to give myself, there's Ezra, and I hang dry clothes. I wanted to give myself some time to do my eye makeup in case I mess it up. So if I haven't already told you, I am going to be a baby doll for Halloween. So I need to get started on that. So we'll see how it goes. I wanted to do like the eyes where it's down here, like a Bratz doll, like this girl. But it just did not work out when I tried to do it. It was a little crazy. So I'm gonna do something a little more tame, but still cute. So let me see, I'm gonna use some of these makeups and hopefully it'll come out right. So I'm gonna pull my hair back and get started. Okay, so I've just completed some of the eye. I still have to put my eyelashes in and I'm gonna do my hair. And that's gonna take me some time because my eyelashes take forever to do. Maybe I'll be lucky. But so far, I mean, it's not horrible. So let me finish getting ready and then I'll show you when it's all done. Ta-da! I look a little hilarious. But here's my outfit. It's got the little poofy skirt. So we'll be getting everything ready, but we are going over to a friend's house. So I'm going to be making taco soup because we're going to have dinner with our friends before we go trick-or-treating. So I'm gonna get washing some potatoes. So I do have vegetables chopped up, or mostly chopped up. I just now have to chop up the potatoes, but I'm gonna start using my meat masher and getting this 1 pound of ground beef just cooked through. Then I'm gonna add some broth to this and just kind of dump it. You know, we'll start with the potatoes and the carrots because those have to cook the longest. And then we'll just add the celery and the corn. Boom, done. You can't forget our rotel and some tomato sauce and some taco seasoning. But that's it, you guys. So easy. I also added a bouillon cube because I'm going to be adding some water, and then that way it will be nice and seasoned. I won't have to worry about adding any salt to it. So I have a couple, let's do 3, maybe 2.5. I need to make some more. So we're just gonna now add the water and then now the veggies, and this is now just pretty much done. I mean, we just have to make sure everything is tender. So it's all done. It's nice and hot. So we're just gonna let this cool down a little bit. We don't have to leave for about 30 more minutes or so. So that'll give it enough time to cool down, and then I'll cover it. And we'll take it with us with some tortilla chips and some sour cream and maybe some cheese. I think I have some of that in the refrigerator, so that's good. Looks good, smells good. I'm hungry actually, so can't wait to eat. So ready to go because the kids, they have that like anxious energy, which is not fun to be around. we just need to hurry up and leave. So 30 more minutes. So we're at our friend's house, our friend Amber, and the boys. Ezra conveniently forgot his mask. I should have showed it to you guys before we left. But he's kind of dressed like a clown somewhere. Jonas has a mask, and Paul has a hat. It'll be so fun.
I know, that looks awesome.
You guys are cute. Our group gets smaller and smaller. Just some yummy, yummy food. I'm so hungry. Got some soups. That's what I made. And Tina made the almost gone mac and cheese. That's actually Amber's recipe. And Amber made this yummy potato soup.
Potato soup.
Potato soup.
Games. Well, a game.
Look at all these cutie pies. Ezzy, whatever you don't finish, I want to taste, okay? Oh, girls, it's a tie. And Auntie Amber, she has prizes for everyone.
There's no losers here.
So fun. So we're getting ready to go. Ooh, marshmallow. We got a clown.
Presley, look at me.
Tina drops her hat. And I got it.
How you doing?
Wow.
Ready, I will get you.
I don't think it wants to stay. Wow.
That was Georgie.
George. Looks like they did well. Now they're just trading. And I'm trying to get Ezra to not trade. He's got some good ones. Look at them. They're so cute. They did pretty good for an hour. Well, we are home. Festivities are done. It's late. I washed my face. I couldn't wait to wash off all that makeup. Oh, but the kids had a good time. We had a good time. And we're just so grateful to Amber. And if you're not following her on Instagram at AMB Gentry, she is so fun and she's so creative. I love how she puts a party together. I can learn a lot from her for sure. But she has wonderful get-togethers especially for Halloween. And we are just so blessed that she's one of our friends. So again, the kids had a great time and you should have seen how much candy they got. Holy moly. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you loved this vlog today. I thought I'd show you a little bit more about what our day was all about. I'm so grateful for all of you rollers, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Good night, everybody.